Recording, right?
Yeah, it's recording now. Look that red thing on the corner.
Yes, it is recording. This one you are telling, right? This one.
The red, yes.
Yeah, okay, good. So where are we? Should go, I think here. Yeah. Name only the dead cell is phloem fibers. So tell me the answer of this one. Why does the central part of carrot turn blue?
Oh, I never saw a carrot turn blue.
No, you see now here. Rima takes carrot. She cuts the lower end. She dips the carrot in water containing blue ink, leaves it for few hours. Then she cuts it horizontally. She observes that the blue color in the central part of the carrot. Why does the central part of the carrot turn blue?
Because the xylem
Ah,
absorbed and it.
xylem absorbs that water, and since that water is in blue ink, it transports from the root to the different parts of the carrot. So that is why the central part of the carrot turns blue. That is the answer because of xylem. Okay, because xylem is water conducting tissue. Which tissue is responsible for this change means xylem. Now identify parts. This is apical meristem. This is important. This is intercalary meristem and this is lateral meristem. Function of part C is it causes increase in thickness or girth of stem and root. Okay? It causes
Yes.
increase in thickness or girth of stem and root. It is also called secondary growth of the plant. It is also called cambium. So you have to remember all this with the lateral meristem. Whereas intercalary meristem present below the base of the nodes and it helps in elongation of the plant. And apical meristem, it is found on the tips of roots, stems and branches and the leaves. Okay, it helps in growing in the length of the part of the plant where present. So these three you have to remember. Differentiate between xylem and phloem tissue. It is there in the table you see. Flow chart of all levels of organization. This one you have to check that table. Okay. What else? I think we will see this one. Revision worksheet. Dash tissue is a group of cells that does not have the ability to divide. Which one?
Permanent cells.
Permanent cells.
Permanent tissue.
Yeah. Which following tissue is composed of dead cells?
Sclerenchyma.
Sclerenchyma. Assertion. Phloem is mostly made up of dead cells. Seed tube cells is only plant cell without nucleus.
A is false, R is true.
Correct? Is that correct answer?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Next one. Collenchyma is simple permanent tissue. It is found in soft part of the plant.
C. A is true but R is
Yeah.
false.
Collenchyma, that is correct, true. But the soft part of the plant in pith and region, which one is that one? What is that tissue?
What?
This tissue. That tissue present in soft part of plants such as cortex and pith region. Which one is it?
Phloem? No.
No, it is parenchyma. Parenchyma. It is not collenchyma. Okay. Choose the odd one out. Here meristematic tissue because these are all
Permanent
permanent
tissue.
tissue. This is not. Okay. So this is the first one. I think this is the second one. This odd one out is almond because the other ones are like fibers and this is hard covering of the fruit. And this odd one out is collenchyma because these are all like protective or epidermal tissues, but collenchyma is not. Tractile vessel xylem parenchyma. So answer is xylem fiber. Okay. Why xylem fiber? Sorry, phloem fiber.
Phloem
These are
fiber.
all related to xylem, but this one is for phloem. Dermal tissue include epidermis and cork. True or false?
True.
True. Lateral meristem helps in elongation of intermodal region.
False.
Which one is that one?
Intercalary.
Intercalary meristem. Epidermal layer